Here I have LG X Power2 and let me show you how to use battery saver mode on the following device. So if you would like to quickly have access to battery saver, let's just use the upper bar right here twice. Here you have to find the battery saver, and right now the battery saver will start when you have the 15% of the battery. But you can check the battery saver settings. Let's tap the settings icon, choose general. Here you need to find and select the battery. So let me do it. Battery and power saving. Here you've got the battery usage. You can enable battery percentage on the screen, or you can choose the battery saver right here. So right now the battery saver will be enabled when you have 15% of the battery, but you can choose it for the immediately, for example, and right now you can enable or disable the battery saver immediately. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.